That's so cool. Hey, what's going on? We are here at Bellingen. Staying at the showgrounds, $40 a night for the whole family. It's pretty good. So 2 nights here. It's a short walk to the shops, short walk to the river that we're going to now as well. We'll see when we get there. Our little spot for the next 2 nights. It's pretty good. There's no one around this, which is even better. Let's go, Dingus. Well, how was our massive day today? It wasn't too bad. Bliss isn't feeling very well after the walk, which is a shame. Drive after the drive. She's feeling a bit gross. So she's chilling in the caravan while we go down and have a look at the water.
Beautiful.
How cold is it? Is it just cold because you're so hot?
Probably. I skimmed it. Going anywhere.
Beautiful, isn't it? Yummy bit of sausages and veggies for dinner. Thought I'd go for a little look outside since it's golden hour here in Bellingen. It's quite pretty.
I was just going to take a photo of the site.
Of the site? Yeah. Come and join me then. Sausages for dinner. Go and show you what Ryan's up to. Oh, this is our site, by the way. What are you doing, mister?
Anybody that, this is in cars, anybody that isn't past this finish line, which is the black line, has to get knocked off by another car. So say this one had to try and knock them off, or at least one of them, it would come racing down here and try and hit both of, like 2 or 1.
Alright, show us.
And I made a little trap for them, so if they go down here, they'll just fall straight through it, or they'll try and catch themselves.
Alright, show us what you're doing then.
And this is the start line.
Alright. Beautiful.
Yes! And now that person has to try and defeat them.
Enjoy that. I'm going to finish dinner up.
Yes.
Love having all this space to ourselves. I think we're going to have to stay in showground campsites more often. My goodness.
It's cold!
slow the shutter speed.
Talking about your new filter.
Yeah.
What do you think of the water?
Stunning.
Yeah. Crazy, right? Wish I had a jumper.
It wants it.
No.
Come on, Isobel.
As time goes by, I'm a raindrop on the blue coast. As time goes by, I'm a blink.
Alright, next on the list, Dorrigo Rainforest Centre. Gonna have a quick little look. There's a skywalk. Don't know if it's free or not. We'll let you know.
I'm a stranger caught in a snapshot frame. And watch you smile. Empires rose and fell. Watch you smile. Mountains melted into sand. And watch you smile.
Well, it's beautiful here too, isn't it? Hmm,
Lots of butterflies at the moment.
there is. $2 donation for adults, $1 for a child,
Yeah.
if you have the change.
10 and under.
I'm an
10 and
adult.
under. Dope.
Be prepared for the gift shop.
Oh, for the gift shop, yes, be prepared for the gift shop.
I forgot mine.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Sucked in.
But I did bring my purse. It's in the car. I'll have to go back and grab it.
No, we're
Yeah.
done. We're done after this.
I'll go back and grab it so I can practice.
There you go, coffee
Yeah.
at the cafe.
Yeah.
Mum's choice. So if it sucks, it's on her.
Yeah.
We can go down.
I know, we're gonna go in.
But first, we need to get my wallet.
You get your wallet after we've gone to get a coffee.
Look at that. I'm walking through butterflies.
Look up, Isobel. It's everywhere. Look at that.
Isabel, tell us about your physics of butterflies.
Butterflies have 2 wings and 2 butt wings. No, they
Not
only-
4
They
wings.
have 2
Butt
wings
wings.
and butt wings.
Do you have butt wings?
No, I don't.
Yes, these are her butt wings.
Sharon has butt wings.
Cafe.
Mum and I were just talking about that we need one of those really tall ferns in our backyard, then we can sit underneath. And then Mum and I were both like, deal.
Alright. Let's get a coffee and we'll talk. We'll
And
figure
then
that
we
one
were
out.
talking about
just
the
get
noose for
second hand.
fairies.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just get a circle in my wall and put cushions in it and sit. Isobel doesn't finish her hot chocolate by now. By then.
Is it any good?
Kind of.
Long ahead. Yeah, this road is long ahead. Let's take it
No maybe shoot from behind.
That's it. Oh, just
Sorry.
starting on a bend. Just gonna do it because it's all bendy and windy.
Yep.
That's it for Bellingen. What did we think? I thought it was beautiful.
It was beautiful. I
Yeah.
liked it.
So, like we talked about, we probably could have stayed a bit longer.
Yeah,
Yeah, pending time next time.
yeah. Stay at the showgrounds is what we would recommend. It was beautiful.
It saves dragging your caravan all the way up the hill to Dorrigo because that's the next caravan park along as well.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah. The only caravan park is in Dorrigo.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Clean, quiet, dog friendly. Short walk to the river to swim in. Ryan loved swimming in the river. Can't even see you. It's so dark. Let's try and... You got it, Mummy? There we go. Isobel didn't swim,
I did my feet in.
but
But
Ryan...
I loved it.
Yeah.
Ryan was floating down the river. Floating down.
And we saw many waterfalls.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Danger Falls was pretty cool, wasn't it? Really?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Just make sure to bring more clothes.
Oh yeah, take a jumper up when you go to Danger Falls. If the breeze is blowing, or it's gone dark, it's cold. So that's it. Off to Newcastle.
Yeah, Belmont, here we come.
Woo!
Thanks so much for watching our latest video. If you liked it, make sure you click subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.